Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to walk through the process of adding a self-hosted HTML5 video player to your website using Wolf. While many people use external hosting, this method gives you total control over your media without relying on third-party players. To get started, navigate to the right-hand Objects menu. Locate the video player icon and simply drag it directly into your page design. This action essentially adds an HTML snippet to your project, which contains the standard HTML5 embed code. Instead of using a file picker, you will edit this code snippet directly. Look for the source section within the code and enter the exact file name of your video. It is important to decide on your file name now, and ensure it is typed correctly into the snippet. Because we are managing the files manually, the next step is to export your web page. Once Wolf has generated your site files, navigate to your export folder. You will need to copy and paste your video file directly into this folder, alongside your HTML files. Double-check that the file name of the video file matches exactly what you entered into the HTML snippet earlier, including the case sensitivity and the file extension. Finally, to make sure everything is linked correctly, test the result by launching the exported web page in your browser. If the names match, your HTML5 player will load the video perfectly, providing a seamless and professional experience for your visitors. And that is all there is to it. You have now successfully integrated a custom video player by manually managing your code and assets.